Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mint flavor at home. First, you'll need about 1 cup of fresh mint leaves. Gently wash them under cool water to ensure they are clean. The key to a vibrant mint flavor is using fresh, aromatic leaves. We'll be creating a concentrated infusion that captures the true essence of mint, perfect for various uses. Now let's start the infusion. In a small saucepan, combine 1 cup of water and 1 cup of granulated sugar. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until the sugar fully dissolves, creating a simple syrup. Once dissolved, add your fresh mint leaves directly into the hot syrup. Remove the pan from the heat immediately. Let the mint steep in the hot syrup. For a mild flavor, 30 minutes is usually enough. If you prefer a more intense minty punch, let it steep for up to 2 hours, tasting occasionally to reach your desired strength. Once steeped, allow the syrup to cool completely. Then, strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve into a clean container, pressing the leaves gently to extract all the liquid. Your homemade mint flavor is now ready. Store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. This delightful syrup is perfect for enhancing iced tea, lemonade, or crafting unique cocktails. You can also drizzle it over desserts or use it in baking. For more great tips and deals, and to check out *The Simple Path to Wealth *, please see the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.